Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 25, Green Bean Casserole. A tasty and easy to prepare green bean casserole will make for perfect dinner. Prepare time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 45 minutes. Servings: 12. Ingredients. Green bean casserole ingredients: 1 batch of mushroom Alfredo gravy, 2 pounds of fresh green beans, trimmed and sliced into bite-sized pieces, 1 batch of crispy onion topping, see below. Crispy onion topping ingredients: 1/2 cup panko breadcrumbs, 1 red onion, peeled and thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon of butter, divided, 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, freshly grated mushroom Alfredo gravy. Ingredients: 8 ounces baby bella mushrooms, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1/2 cup vegetable stock, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup milk, sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, freshly grated. Directions: 1. Warm up your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Trim, slice and short boil the green beans. Use a large stock pot over high heat. Place your beans into the boiling water and cook for about 5 minutes. Remove the beans from the pot using a slotted spoon and put them into a large bowl of ice water. Set aside. 3. Prepare your crispy onion topping by adding 1/2 tablespoon of butter to the pan over medium-high heat. Add your onion and sauté for 3 minutes, mixing occasionally. Place the onions in a bowl, then add the remaining butter to the pan along with the panko and stir. Cook for 3 minutes or until slightly golden. Remove from heat and add the panko to the bowl of onions. Add Parmesan, sea salt and pepper, then toss to combine. Set aside. 4. Prepare your mushroom Alfredo sauce. Quickly give the pan a rinse and dry, then place the pan over medium-high heat, adding butter. Add mushrooms and sauté for 5 minutes. Place garlic in the pan and sauté for an additional 2 minutes. Stir in flour, mix and sauté for another minute or so. Add to the vegetable stock and stir until flour is dissolved. Add the milk and Parmesan, then stir to combine. Keep cooking until the gravy reaches a simmer and thickens. Remove from heat and spice with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Mix the green beans along with the mushroom Alfredo gravy in the stock pot. Place mixture into a baking dish in an even layer. Cover with crispy onion topping mix. 6. Bake mixture in prepared oven for 25 minutes, or until the crispy onion topping is golden. 7. Serve warm and garnish with extra freshly cracked black pepper and some fresh chopped parsley and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my green bean casserole recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.